We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at an 8.5 by 22 foot straight deck Deckover trailer. This has your adjustable coupler, jack and safety chains. This has your 8-inch IBeam. Here we have chain basket on the tongue. Spare tire holder. This does have your breakaway system. Your D-rings, as well as stake pockets along the side. The floor is pressure treated wood flooring. This does come with two Greaseable 5,200 pound axles with 15-inch wheels and tires. So this does have a straight deck. We have your slide out ramps that stay stored here. This trailer is fully wired with LED drive lights. Once again, this is the 8.5 by 22 foot straight deck Deckover trailer with slide out ramps. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.